am going back to Italy to celebrate my birthday, my 29th birthday with my family. And now's the time to pack my makeup. I have a lot to do today. I have to pack my luggage, my makeup, wash my brushes. I have a lot. But I thought, why not show you what I'm thinking of bringing with me, because these are things that I am interested in this time period, that I am enjoying a lot. So here you will have a rundown of what I'm liking. The goal, as always, is to fit everything inside this makeup bag. I know I say it every year, but this time I want it to be as light as I can. Admonish me in the comments if you think that I am taking maybe too much of one thing or things that I wouldn't normally need. Feel free to do that. Let's get started. Let's start in order of what I do first. I need to bring this Madagascar Centella ampoule with me, but I used to have a mini and now I cannot find the container, because even if I finish that, I still kept the container, I cannot find it. So what I will do is take one of those mini thingies to bring your fragrance with you. I will put this in probably, so I will have to do that later. Let's move on to foundation. I'm gonna bring my Nabla Skin Realist foundation. I have it in the shade 1 Fair, even though I believe that the new shade they came up with, which is like 0.5, is better for me. But I really like this foundation. You can see I've used it quite a lot. It feels nice on the skin, it looks effortless, it has good coverage, it wears really well. So I'm bringing this foundation with me. For powder, my Kosas Cloud Set in the shade Candy. I have made very good progress on this. It's basically flat. It used to be a dome. I use it every day. I want to switch it with nothing else at the moment. Brows. For brows, I use only one product. Where did I put it? This is a product from Kiko. It's the Eyebrow Sculpt Automatic Pencil in the shade 06. I always only use this. I think I've used this for like 6 years to this point. I don't know, I'm just basic with my eyebrow choices. I don't enjoy that step too much, and that's why I don't try products for that step. As blushes, I will bring 3. Now I know what you're saying, 3 is already excessive, but one of them is actually the blush I use as a lipstick, so I'm putting it in as a blush, but I'm actually gonna use it as a lipstick. I have it on today. I love it as a lipstick. And then the 2 other blushes, these are all the blush filters from Huda Beauty, by the way. I'm bringing Cotton Candy and Black Cherry because I like to mix them, and also Black Cherry, I love using it on my lips as well when I want something more, I don't know, something more date night coated. Do I want to bring a powder blush? I'm gonna go for the Ilia powder blush. I have it today. It's an effortless, like everyday blush that I can use when I'm in a rush or when I don't know what to pair with my eye look and lip look. I'm not gonna bring a bronzer. I don't normally use bronzers. Let's talk about eyes. Eyes are my Achilles heel. I love eyeshadow. I always want to have a lot, but at the same time I realize that I cannot bring too many palettes because they're heavy. What I was thinking for this time was to bring the new Etherealized Nature palette by Makeup by Mario, because I feel like these warm tones are very good for the fall season. In fact, I'm also going to Italy because I would really love to enjoy fall as an exception to my everyday, because there's no fall here in the UAE, and I want to see the leaves, I want to feel the cold. I want the warm fuzzy feelings of fall, and this palette gives me those vibes. I also want to bring with me the Patrick Ta Major Dimension Eye Duo in the shade In Your Dreams, because I don't love the shimmers in that palette, and I feel like these can give me that edge. Like on my birthday dinner, I go there and I'm wearing this scattered light type of eyeshadow. Chef's kiss, like beautiful. My cat is yelling again. Great. I think I'm also gonna bring, that flew out of my hands, my Melt Cosmetics stack in the shade 12th hour, I think. Yeah, the 12th hour. This is their new eyeshadow stack. If you're interested in like a video about this, let me know. This has very nice everyday shades, but it also has like these deep shades that I can use as eyeliners. It also has an orange. I'm never gonna use that. But still, I like this. Let's see if I can fit it in without it taking too much space. Should I bring this eyeshadow palette? This is an eyeshadow palette personally curated by me, made with the Nabla singles. I have used this a lot the last time I was in Italy. I love this glitter. It is limited edition, so they don't do it anymore. Unfortunately, it's that violet one. I'm gonna put it in and then I'll see if I need to remove it. It's a flat palette anyway, so it shouldn't occupy too much space. Let's talk about lips. We're actually nearly there. I was very focused. It's gonna be a short video. For lips, let's talk lip liner. I'm bringing my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner in the shade Raisin. This like burgundy reddish shade goes well with the blush filter from Huda Beauty. It also goes well with more berry tone lips. I also would like to bring my Endless Cacao liner, but I cannot for the life of me find it. I don't know where I put it. It may be in one of my bags. Yeah, I looked into my bags and I can find my Endless Cacao. I don't know. Anyways, instead of that, I will bring my Sephora collection Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Dressed to the 90s, which is a cool tone brown, like a 90s brown, as the name says, of course, makes sense. This doesn't last a lot, but I mean, I can find Endless Cacao, so what do I have to do? I don't know. I'm also gonna bring the Nabla Cupid Tauro in the shade Maroon. This can be used as a liner, but also as a base for an eyeshadow look. I especially love the burgundies during fall again, so that's a nice pick. I'm also bringing my Makeup Forever. I'm talking about pencils in general. These are not necessarily lip liners, but the Makeup Forever Whatever Black, it's itty bitty. And the lip cheat from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk Deep. This is a deep brown that I use on my eyes actually as an eyeliner rather than on my lips, but also could be used on my lips. For lipsticks, I fell in love again with the Ravi Beauty, what is this product called? Effortless Lips in the shade Zinnia. Again, perfect color for fall. Can you see how beautiful that brown is? I have to bring it. I've been using it non-stop these days, by the way. I also think I will bring this mini Charlotte Tilbury Icon Baby lipstick because it's such a nice nude on me and it's very small, so it's not gonna take a lot of space. And then I have two choices that are questionable, okay? But the first one is my favorite, like all times favorite lipstick and shade. This is the Prada in the shade B105, and it is like this burgundy color. It will go well with the lip liner, but also this lasts such a long time. I plan on using this on my birthday. And the last product, I'm done, I swear. Yes, it's another lipstick. This is the MAC Maximal Sleek Satin Lipstick in the shade Paramount. Now, I don't know if I want to bring this, but I thought it was the perfect shade for fall. Here it is, swatched, and if you blend it, like I would probably blot it, it becomes this beautiful warm red. Again, I probably don't need both of these. It's a small MAC lipstick. And everything fit here. Oh, I forgot my mascara. Okay. And that's it. That's it, I swear. I'm done. Everything fit. It's not super heavy. I feel like I've done a good job. I know, very small, brief video, but concise, and you get a sense of what I'm liking. Let me know in the comments what you think about my selection, and feel free again to reprimand me. I will read your comments and probably adjust my picks. But in the meantime, thank you for watching this video. Leave me a lipstick emoji if you have reached this point, because you see how many lipsticks I brought. Please remember to subscribe if you like the video and if you want more makeup content on your feed. Hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!